A Pan-African conference bringing together government technocrats, policymakers and debt analysts organized by Uganda Debt Network kicked off with a call for the government to sort out debt financing issues before all hell breaks loose. But what exactly is the objective of the conference?
Out of the 54 African countries, only 8 have got debt sustainability, which is a little okay, but the rest of the countries they are having a lot of debt distress. Even these 8, if we do some other analysis, they are also moving towards distress.
Now that it is obvious that most African countries, including Uganda, are heading towards debt distress, what needs to be done to steady the ship?
In as much as we need the infrastructure, we should be conversant and aware of the risks associated with huge debts, or debts especially from the private sector or the commercial sector.
I would dare say that the debt distress is much, much higher than what is out there. And certainly the governments, and they know this, not that they don't know, but it's in their public interest to keep this information outside the public.
And for Uganda, what does all this mean?
But there is, the old adage says there's no free lunch. By the time you get a debt, you must be ready to service it. And when you're servicing it at the cost of other priorities, including social services, including salaries, and that should be our first concern.
What does all this mean? Experts have yet again sounded a warning regarding the debt question. We can now only hope that the government takes heed and doesn't turn around later to say it didn't read between the lines. Ismail Musa, Ladu, NTV Business.